In the quiet dawn of the 80s, a father and son share a timeless moment in their garage. The smell of motor oil mingling with their dreams. Little did they know, this moment would set the wheels in motion for a legacy yet to unfold. As the father sets off to his job at TB, his son's eyes follow him, filled with admiration and wonder. Determined to understand his father's world, the son pedals after him, embarking on a journey of discovery. 25 years later, we meet a young man, now a proud member of the TB family. Here, values aren't just words, they're a way of life. Every interaction is imbued with craftsmanship, reliability, and a passion to help, echoing the camaraderie of a team united in purpose. In this bustling workshop, every tool wielded is a testament to dedication and skill. Across borders and miles away, a Dutch truck driver finds himself stranded. With a call to TB, help is on the way. Because at TB, caring for people isn't just a duty, it's a privilege. As the driver receives a warm welcome and expert assistance at a TB dealership in Poland, he knows he's in good hands. And back home, our young man has become a leader, guiding his team towards new horizons. As the meeting adjourns and plans are set in motion, a message arrives. A selfie shared by the grateful driver, a testament to the bonds forged by TB's commitment to excellence. And so, as the workshop lights dim for the night, our young man heads home, where a new generation awaits. With a smile and a VR headset in hand, he knows that the circle of legacy and love continues unbroken. TB, where every journey begins with a spark and every destination is reached with heart.